divide or split this candy up evenly? There's so much! How are we ever going to split it up evenly?
Well, we already know the total and how many people we're splitting it up between. My teacher just taught me how to do long division.
That would be perfect!
Let's learn how to complete a long division problem. It is easy to do by following a few steps. I have created a silly sentence to help you remember the steps. The steps are divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. So here is the silly sentence that I created that shows the steps. Does my sneaky bat rest? The first step is to divide, or see how many times 2 can go into 5. In order to do that, we need to know how many times we can multiply 2 by another number to get 5 or less. So I know that 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2 goes into 5 2 times. We write this by writing the 2 above the 5, like this. The next step is to multiply. We need to multiply 2 times 2 to get 4. So we will place the 4 beneath the 5. Next, we will subtract. We will need to subtract 4 from 5. This will give us 1. Now we must bring down. That means that we will bring down the 8, which will make 18. The next step is to repeat, and that means that we need to repeat the steps all over again. So, we will start by dividing. We need to know how many times that 2 goes into 18. I know that 2 times 9 equals 18. So I will put the 9 above the 8. And now I multiply. 2 times 9 equals 18. So I'll have to put the 18 below the other 18. Just like this. And now my next step is to subtract. So 18 minus 18 will give us 0. Now we must bring down. And that means that we need to bring down the 4. Just like this. Now we're going to repeat again, which means that we will need to divide. So we need to see how many times 2 can go into 4. And I know that 2 times 2 equals 4. So we'll put the 2 above the 4. And now we will need to multiply. So we multiply 2 times 2 to get 4. So we'll put the 4 underneath this 4. And then we'll need to subtract. When we subtract 4 minus 4, then we get 0. Okay, now it's your turn. You get to practice. 856 divided by 4. Go ahead and remember the steps. Does my sneaky bat rest? Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. Have a good day.